And we just jumped a little off base from Donna's schedule, and I do have a question for you about that, Donna. We've been chatting so much in the last few months, and you mentioned at one point that you do occasionally have slow days, but there's a component of being consistent that is really, really important. Can you kind of jump into the consistency and how it's really important to kind of keep that momentum, and even if you do have a slow day, is to kind of keep that going?
And what's funny is I saw a quote last night on Facebook, and it said, in order to experience consistency, loyalty to the process is essential. And I thought, wow, that's like, totally encompasses all of this. Just being loyal to that same process every single day and making sure that you're following up with everyone. On some of my slow days, if I'm having, less leads, I'll go back through and see who, who was contacting me or who was I talking to, and they kind of fell off, or, we just kind of quit talking, and I'll send them a quick little personal note or something like that, just to make sure that I'm still leveraging those ads or those leads every day.